All right, we're going to look at questions 3 and 4 here. So these two questions are asking us about this ratio of blueberries and the cost, and the other is about chocolate milks. But they're both sort of about these ratios. So I'm going to move down here. This will be question 3 and question 4. Okay. So question number 3, put right here. And I think my plan here for this, I'm going to move the camera for a second. Okay, so the way I'm going to set this up, I'm actually going to put this on a double number line. So what I have here is I'm going to start with this number line here. This will be my blueberries. Okay, and then I'm going to put this number line down here, and this is going to be my cost. This is going to be cost. Okay, and what I know is that the cost is $4 per 1 pound. Okay, so I'm going to go like this. I'm going to say, if that's one pound of berries, then that is $4. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice it's a regular number line, so the distance between each is equal. So then I'm going to count up here, but in this number line, since this is my cost, I'm counting by 4s. So that's $8, $12, $16, and $20. Okay, and then I can fill this one in, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it's $4 for 1 pound, then it's $8 for 2 pounds, $12 for 3 pounds, and $16 for 4 pounds. So these ratios are constant in between. And if I'm down here, 0 pounds costs me $0, which makes some sense. Okay. Well, the first question is, how many can you buy for $1? Well, $1 exists somewhere down in this country, right? So $1 is somewhere in here. It's between 0 and 4, which means the berries is between 0 and 1. So if we do like this, split that in half, that's a 2. Split that in half, that's a 1. So there's my $1. Okay? We're going to do the same up here. We're going to split this in half. That is 1/2 of a pound. And then I'm going to split that in half, and that is 1/4 of a pound. So I can do 1/4 of a pound for $1. And I can do $4 for 1 pound. Okay? So there's the answer to that one. Okay? So there's that right there. Circle that. Okay? Now, the second part of this says blueberries are $13. Or rather, I'm going to spend $13, and how much will I get for the berries? So if I come down here, again, we're at this somewhere in here is $13, which means somewhere in here has to be my berries. Well, I know that this right here is 13, right? I know that's 13, but I also know that that is 12 plus 1, okay? And the reason I'm saying it like that is I know exactly how much 12 is right there. And I know exactly how much 1 is. We did that down here. Okay? So if I put those together, so I can get 3 pounds and then 1/4 of a pound. So my 13 then, right here, this is 3 1/4 pounds of blueberries. Okay? All right. Actually, before I finish this, I'm going to show this in a quick ratio table as well, right? Berries cost. I know that I have 1 pound is 4, right? I did this. I divided by 4 and got 1. And up here, I divided by 4 and got 1/4. Okay? Another way to look at that is multiplying by 1/4 or multiplying by 1/4. Okay? And then at this point, I can go like this. That 1, I can say times 13 because I needed 13 dollars. So I take my 1/4 and I multiply that times 13, and I end up with 3 25/100. So that's a way to look at that in a double number line expressed as a ratio table.